While porches are often considered transitional spaces between a house and its garden, the Porch House by Vasco Burnay Arquitectura reinterprets this concept by placing the porch at the heart of everyday living. Rather than serving as a secondary element, the porch becomes the central organizing feature of the home, around which the living spaces are arranged. Large openings and a highly permeable design blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, allowing residents to remain constantly connected to natural light, fresh air, and the surrounding landscape throughout the day. The architectural language of the Porch House draws its strength from simplicity. Clean geometries, natural materials, and a carefully balanced spatial composition create a home that feels both contemporary and timeless. The semi-open living areas provided by the porch enrich the daily living experience while strengthening the relationship between architecture and nature. By successfully combining openness, comfort, and a strong connection to the outdoors, the project offers a thoughtful response to the evolving needs of modern residential design.